Welcome to J&J Auto test video of T8PN009. Today we have an 08 Pontiac G8 GT aluminum L76 V8 6L80 automatic. Excuse me, a little bit of cold. Very light punch in the nose here. Parts are very hard to find for these cars, so they just total them out for absolutely anything. She got a $183 on her. She's seen better days, but there's also much worse ones out there. It's got some sort of Detroit special exhaust on it, which I'm guessing is just the mufflers have been cut off and replaced with straight pipes. A little bit loud, a little bit rowdy. All right, let's go ahead and remove my hood prop here. Step inside and test some parts, see what's going on. Center console smoked, which sucks because that's worth some money on these things. Awesome window switch, thanks guys. Passenger door mirror doing its thing. Driver door mirror. Check engine light. If I was a betting man, I'm guessing this thing doesn't have cats. Go away. Blow pump radio though, that's working well. Everything seems to be functioning correctly. It had some interesting CDs in it, Eminem and Drake. Climate control, heated seats, although we're not selling this. These things are smoked. You guys know I'm trying to get rid of the old traction control. Sounds good, make a nice dropout. Aluminum V8s are great for your hot rod swaps. Goes right into reverse. Right in a drive. Come on, traction control. Alright. This is annoying. Not the cruise. How do I control the driver information center? Units. No, not metric. I did not want to do that. Dang it, Bobby. What is going on here? What have I done to this beautiful vehicle? Get her out of here. Come on. English, baby. All right. Why will this traction control not disengage? Very upsetting. Does the parking brake have to be set? Anyways, it runs, the windows work, you know, all that good stuff. Alright guys, that is going to conclude the J&J Auto test video. I will say, of all the things to be broken, the traction control button is probably the most annoying thing ever. All I wanted to do was burn some tires off today, but I guess that's not going to happen. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Take better care of your G8s, because it's just kind of a shame what you've done to this car, you filthy animal. Thanks for watching.